I'm finally building the fucking gingerbread house. You're welcome, America! Hi everybody, welcome to today's episode of VLOGMAS. My name's Rhianon Paige, in case you're new here. Welcome! We're having a great time with VLOGMAS so far. No mistakes, I haven't skipped any days because I am perfect at everything. Today, as you know by the title, and maybe can guess by the box in front of me or my beautiful sweater, we're building a freaking gingerbread house. I have been talking about this, I think, since the first day of VLOGMAS, maybe even the second, I don't know, but I've been talking about doing it for the last like 10 to 12 days, so it's finally happening. We're going to just get started with my beautiful setup here. I hope you enjoy me being between these two beds in my room that I don't know why. I have two beds in my room. Doesn't make sense. I'm the only one that lives in here. But this is where my Christmas background is. My tree and my sign. So I had to do it in front of that, but I also don't have a table high enough to do it at a proper level. So it's very weird, this setup, and I'm sorry about it, but it's all I've got, so you're just gonna have to deal with it. The surface that we're doing this on, this ottoman, is very unstable, like me, emotionally. So I had to grab a poster board to lay down on it. Maybe I'll do it this way so the sticker isn't showing. That should make for a much more even surface. The gingerbread house that we will be building today is this one. It is Bullseye's house, the Target Bullseye dog. It's his house, obviously. I got it at Target. I've actually not built a gingerbread house since probably elementary school, like grade 3 maybe, or sooner or earlier than that. Like, I don't even remember the last time I built a gingerbread house, but it definitely was when I was a child. Oh, that smells so good. I don't like gingerbread cookies, but this smells amazing. There are instructions that I apparently need to follow on the back of the box for time and stuff, but I'm gonna show you what it comes with. White frosting, I mean, duh. Some little dog bone treats. Some mistletoe? I don't know if the green ones are mistletoe, but mistletoe and little, whatever that Christmas plant is called. And then these little, oh, these are lights! Oh, that's really cute. These are lights. And then black frosting and red frosting, which I believe would be for the dog, because why would you put black frosting on the house? And then pre-made cookies. So, what do the instructions say? Important, knead/massage white icing pouch for 2 minutes. It's already a lot of work. To make icing more fluid and adhesive, when ready to assemble, remove the cap from the icing pouch and snip the tip. Snip, snap, snip, snap, snip, snap! 1/4 inch from the end. Okay, I'm gonna need scissors apparently. Always hold your scissors the right way, kids. Open this. I don't know if this board is what I'm supposed to build it on. Probably, right? But I don't know. This is, what part is this? There's Bullseye. I do not know. Why is there only one? Wait, am I stupid? I'm confused. What is this? Oh, it's the base. Okay, so this is the base. I'm stupid. And then the house sits in there. I'm an idiot. Okay. Children can do this easier than I can, but it's fine. I don't want to break. What if it doesn't break properly? Okay. The walls, the front and the back of the house. Okay. Those are the sides. And this is the roof. It wants me to knead it for 2 minutes. I feel like that's excessive. This is some quality ASMR. Okay, that's lost on my carpet now forever. Cool. Why isn't it coming out? Bye. Am I doing something wrong? If icing does not flow, place it under warm water. What is that going to do? Oh, okay. Oh my god, that was delicious. I was scared that was not going to taste good. Kind of like my advent calendar chocolate, but that actually is amazing frosting. That's dangerous because now I'm just going to want to eat all of it. Oh, pipe a thick line of icing along each side. What? Said it to pipe a thick amount here. It's not. Okay, there we go. Jeez, I want to be on Great British Baking Show. Great British Baking Show. So bad. Ah. Oh my god. I am very sorry for the change in audio that's about to happen. You'll find out why in 2 seconds, but yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, so my camera battery died and I had to switch cameras to my old camera because I didn't want to wait for it to charge. So I finished frosting the base, started to frost the sides of the front of the house, and it won't stay still. So obviously I have to keep going and frost the rest of the house. Now, it's just what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna forcefully frost the shit out of it. Stay like that for now, please. Thanks. Okay, so this is just gonna stick to those frosted pieces, supposedly. Frick, it's crooked. It's crooked! This feels wrong. Supposedly that's correct. I'm a little concerned it doesn't look good. Let it dry for 15 minutes. I need some stress frosting. I'm also really scared for how I'm supposed to freaking do the front frosting if it's vertical. Can I start frosting the dog now? He's supposed to be all white. That means using so much of this. I want to eat it. Oh man. I guess he's just gonna have to be totally frosted. Ta-da! I'm gonna use a paint knife. Hold on. I'm so clever. Oh my girl, she's so clever. Excuse me, sir. He's ready. I'll do the black now. I feel like this is the frosting that definitely does not taste good, so I'm a little scared to eat it. Well, Bullseye's gonna have a wonky eye for 2 reasons now. Yep, tastes weird. His eyes are super effed, but let's try the nose now. Honestly, is that kind of good? Is that kind of good?
Do you see him? Do you think a depressed person could make this?
That frosting tastes like shit. Oh, I was supposed to hold this for 2 minutes. Let's just pretend that I was holding it for the last 10 minutes. Okay? I mean, I feel like it's dry. I'm just gonna... Oh, I gotta do his paw lines. Yeah, that's not... For the most part, that was okay, except for the third one there. Bullseye's getting there. I'm gonna do the bullseye now on his face. I did his nose way higher than I should have. I'm scared now that the bullseye that I'm about to do is gonna hit his eye on mine versus where it is on this one. So that's fun. We're gonna try not to do that though, but that's probably gonna happen because obviously I suck at this. It's not horrible. I need to give him his little bone collar across the back of it because I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional at this. Ta-da! It's Bullseye! Yay! Oh my god, this camera's about to die. I give up. Now I will frost the roof. Try to frost the roof, I should say. With my other hand. What is happening? Really? I think he thinks he's muted right now, which is really cute because he's definitely not muted right now. Should I also frost this? Oh, frost where they meet. Okay, I'm getting the hang of this. That is just resting on there. It is not even touching. Is it touching in the back? Super uneven on the overhang. I'm supposed to hold it for a minute. Okay. Well, next step is to start decorating. My camera's about to die though, so I literally now have to switch back to however much has been charged on the other battery in the other camera. I'm sorry to keep switching on you. Please don't hate me. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And we're back on the better looking camera. So sorry that we had to switch there for quite some time, but we're back. And it is now time to decorate this bad boy. Ta-da! My handiwork. What did I do wrong? This is the first time I literally just saw the back, and clearly we have a huge gap here that I didn't notice the entire time. The front looks good though, kinda. What did I do? What did I do wrong? I don't understand what's going on. Like, how did that not fit? Theoretically, it all should have fit, but these pieces were not long enough to fit the square, so I didn't do anything wrong. This is Target's fault. No, stop drooping. Gravity wants to pull the frosting down. Can I like... Yeah, what was I thinking doing that? Why did I try? How are you supposed to decorate it like this? Like, seriously, did nobody consider gravity when we were doing this? Okay, somehow. I can hear you.
You can hear me?
Yes.
I thought I was muted this whole time. How's my little architect doing?
Why did you ask? How am I supposed to decorate vertically? You see how I'm making no sense? This side is going like that. This side is going like that. Fuck. Oh my god. I am stressed. To do the door. Hey, it's actually kind of working. I did the door. I like that you can still see my like soggy bite mark. I'm not gonna do windows. This house is a house without windows. I am, however, gonna put some lights on this bitch. That's about to make a super mess. What have I done? I hate myself. Putting lights on the front. You'll look in a minute. Sorry you can't see this. Mother. I need frosting on the bottom. You know what? That's how I feel. No, this house simply does not want to be built. Okay, I give up. Merry Christmas.